Hello everyone, today I am discussing about the difference between suspension and colloid. That means what is the function of suspension, their formulation, example and function of colloid, example and definition also. So first of all, suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of substance. Here heterogeneous mixture means in this mixture the particle size are not uniform in properly, but colloidal is a homogeneous mixture, but that means in this mixture the total particles should be uniform improperly. And suspension, particle size of the suspension is comparatively large than colloid. Particles can settle down under the influence of gravity if the settling process is not disturbed. Particles in a colloid don't settle down under normal conditions, and the suspensions of particle suspension cannot pass through a filter paper, but particles of the colloid can pass through a filter paper. And optical properties, in the suspension they don't transmit light, in the colloid they can scatter light. Suspension's particles are comparatively large than colloid, and colloidal particles are comparatively small. The range of the particle size I already discussed here, and the range of the colloid particle size I already discussed here. Particles can be clearly seen by naked eye in the suspension, but in the colloid particles cannot seen by naked eye but can be seen under light microscope. Particles undergo sedimentation, but in the colloid particles don't undergo sedimentation. In the suspension, a distinct phase separation can be seen, but in the colloid solution, the phase separation is not seen, or it is maybe very slow. And in the suspension is used in the production of medication and milk of the magnesia, but the colloidal solution used in the paint industry, example food industry. Example of the suspension like muddy water, oil and water, chalk in water, sand in water. And example of the colloid, that is milk, shampoo, etc.